Watch the video to know more about the beauty and travel of Sajek Valley. Sajek Valley is a picturesque valley located in Barkala Upazila of Rangamati district, Bangladesh. The hilly terrain and small villages attached to it add to the scenic beauty of Sajek. This valley is famous for its green hills, waterfalls, rivers, and scenic surroundings. Sajek Valley is an ideal destination for nature lovers, where you can find peace. Geographical location: Sajek Valley is located in Barkala Upazila of Rangamati district. It is close to the Mizoram border of India, which on the one hand highlights the uniqueness of the mountainous region within Bangladesh. The height of Sajek Valley is more than 1,800 feet, and the surrounding mountains and forests create a dreamy picture of nature. The beauty of Sajek is largely determined by its mountainous scenery, natural reservoirs, and vast green forests. Here are some special places of interest. Sajek Peak ***. Known as the highest point of Sajek, this place offers unique mountain views and beautiful sunset views. Rajbhumi and Kanluk ***. Rajbhumi and Kanluk are one of the most famous places in Sajek Valley. When you go here, you can see the white raft of clouds along with the green of the mountains. Wulongpara Waterfall ***. The natural waterfall of Sajek Valley is a special attraction to visit here. During the monsoons, the water flow of the waterfall increases, creating a picturesque scene. Machanghar is another popular place in Sajek where you can see the lifestyle of hill people. There is an opportunity to understand the culture and lifestyle of the local people. Traveling to Sajek Valley may require some basic preparation and planning. Here is a detailed discussion on how to travel. How to go ***. To reach Sajek Valley from Dhaka, you need to reach Cox's Bazar or Chittagong first. Then from there you can use bus or car to go to Rangamati. To reach Barkala Upazila from Rangamati you have to use bus or car again. Finally, to reach Sajek Valley one has to use local jeeps or trucks, which will take you through hilly roads. There are some villas, resorts and guest houses to stay in Sajek Valley. You can spend the night there. Popular accommodation options include Sajek Resort, Mountain Cottage, and Rabbi Guest House. Food ***. Sajek Valley has some local restaurants and food stalls for food. However, the variety of food may be somewhat limited. Local cuisine includes hill specialties such as butter dal, shrimp malaikari, and khasi meat. Season ***. The best time to visit Sajek Valley is during winter, November to February. It rains heavily during monsoons and road travel can be difficult. Sajek Valley is an immortal creation of nature, which can give you a taste of a new experience. Its breathtaking beauty, serene environment, and specialty of hill life will give you an unforgettable travel experience. If your interest in Sajek Valley is to enjoy the beauty of nature, then this is an ideal destination for you.